A very good morning, friends. I just arrived from Phuket in a night bus to MOCHIT bus terminus in Bangkok sometime back. It's quite early in the morning, so it was a pleasant journey. Right now, I'm traveling from MOCHIT bus terminus to my hotel in Sukhumvit Soi 11. It's a budget hotel and it's a value for money option, which I will show you later on. So the first part of the video which I'm going to share with you now is basically to show you Sukhumvit Soi 11, my hotel, a short view of the reception area. Then I'll freshen up and plan to go to Chinatown, have my brunch there, and give you a short tour of Sampheng Market, and then take a MRT back to Sukhumvit. So that was the first part. So stay tuned, watch my entire video. It's going to be very interesting for anyone who's planning to visit Bangkok in the near future. I would request you to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed already, so you're going to get all the updates on my future videos. And if you like my video, don't hesitate to press the like button and do share my video with your friends. So thanks for joining in, thanks for watching, keep watching my video. Thank you. Well, I just arrived at my hotel, La Fenix Hotel, which is in Sukhumvit Soi 11. It's a value for money option. It's right in the heart of Sukhumvit area, and this is one of the best places to stay, whether you travel alone, whether you're a solo traveler, or you're traveling with families or couple. You have a lot of actions around, good food, bar, pubs, malls, everything around within 3 to 4 kilometers. So that's it. I freshen up and right now I'm out of my hotel. I've taken a bike taxi. I'm traveling to Chinatown, in particular Yaowarat Road, and I would request you to stay tuned and watch my entire journey. You're going to like the vibe of Bangkok. So travel with me and be there with me till the end of the video. Thank you. Well, friends, I have reached the heart of Bangkok, Chinatown, Yaowarat Road. I love the vibe of this place. Basically, I did not get the room in my hotel as you don't have a morning check-in. So I came here to have a brunch and then to explore the place around. So I prefer a clean and nice place which is not very expensive and where locals eat. So I got this place exactly what I need, and as you can see, a lot of locals are eating here. People are packing food. So I have ordered. My food is just about to come, and the cost is 130 THB. So what I ordered is a rice with pork and a Thai tea. So the food is quite good out here, and there are a lot of other tempting dishes too. So I think I'll come back again to this place if I get the time. Well, I'm through with my lunch. I'm ready to explore the place around. So I'll take you to a very nice and a favorite market of mine. I usually love to shop here. It's called Sampheng Market, the cheapest market in Bangkok. If you come on a weekend, of course, you can go to Chatuchak market where usually people shop. But imagine if you're in Bangkok on a weekday. So this is the market which you can explore. Ideally, you should buy in lots of 10 or 12 out here, because when you buy there, you get a wholesale price. Usually locals come and shop out here and get a wide variety of products to choose from. And if you're tired in between, you can stop for some bite somewhere. You can sit there, have a pad thai or a drink, and again you can continue with your shopping. Be there with me, explore the market with me. I'm sure you're going to enjoy this. Keep watching. Do like, do share my video with your friends. Thank you. Well, friends, right now I am in a beautiful cafe called the Rise Café in the middle of Sampheng Market. I had a drink here and I could, relax for a while. If you're tired while shopping here, you can always hang out here, recharge your battery, and then explore the market again. Friends, this is another good place to hang out. This is a little ahead from the cafe. It's a tea shop. I was here last time with my family. Now I've done my market visit in Chinatown for the time being, so I'm at the MRT station. I'll take a metro to Sukhumvit. MRT is a good way of traveling in Bangkok. You can avoid the traffic. It is comfortable and safe, and the price is also quite reasonable. So I usually travel in Bangkok in a bike taxi, MRT, occasionally BTS, and when I want to pamper myself once in a while I take a cab. So now I'm waiting for my metro to come and to take me to Sukhumvit. Be there with me till the end of the journey. This will be part 1. I didn't want the video to be too long, so I'll come soon with another video where I'm going to take you on a walk from Sukhumvit Metro to my hotel, which will show you Sukhumvit 11, which is one of the best places to stay in Bangkok. So now I'm inside the metro and I'll be traveling to Sukhumvit. So stay tuned, watch the video till the end. Thank you. Friends, I've just arrived at Sukhumvit MRT station, now on the way out. Thanks for watching my video. As I told you, I'll be coming with part 2, which will be a walking tour from Sukhumvit MRT to my hotel in Sukhumvit 11. Basically, it's a walking tour of 10 to 15 minutes which cover the Sukhumvit main road and that area. So this will give you a good insight and idea about the area. Sukhumvit is the area tourists prefer to stay because you have a lot of mall shopping, eating out options, as well as a lot of actions in this area. So stay tuned for my next part of the video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel so that you get all the updates for my future videos. Do like and share my video with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next part. Bye bye.